Hi guys, as you've just seen, in today's video, I will show you an AI tool. And with this tool, you can turn individual image into videos, and then edit them using VideoProc Vlogger. If you're interested in this one, keep watching the video. First, we go to this website. You can find a specific address in the description box down below. Click this button. With just a new account, we'll log in using other linked accounts. Then we come to this page. You will find many features available. Today we only need this section. Click on it to go to a new page. Drag the prepared image in. And then click Generate. Wait for the system to generate a video. Let's preview it. And once we're satisfied, click to download and save it. Use the same method to complete the AI conversion for other remaining image. Ultimately, you will end up with several videos like this. Launch VideoProc Vlogger. Create a new project. Import the original image and generate videos into the software. Next, find VideoProc at the top left of the interface. Click on it, and then find Settings. In the photo duration setting, adjust the default duration to 1 second. Once done, we'll return to the timeline and drag this image into the video track together. Each image will now have a duration of 1 second, so there's no need to adjust them individually. Isn't that convenient? Now, drag the generated videos onto the video track one by one. Arrange them sequentially with the original image. Afterward, you may notice that aspect ratio of these image videos are not consistent. No worries, we just need to go to the inspector, find the transform properties. Click on White to fill the canvas. Apply a similar quick treatment to the other clips. To enhance the smoothness of the image to video effect, we also need to open the transition panel in the top left corner. Choose some natural transition effects like fade transition, ripple transition, and others. Drag them onto the timeline one by one. Adjust the effect durations as needed. We can also continue editing different transition effects. For instance, move the playhead to a blank space. Click on the text icon in the toolbar. Delete the text content. Find the camera icon above the preview window. Click it to capture a corner screenshot. This way, you will obtain a solid black image. Import this image into the software. Place it between these two clips. And use the fade to black transition to connect them. Adjust the duration, and you will achieve a nice effect. Furthermore, I recommend using special effects according to your image style. Here, I will choose a glitch effect. Drag it onto the effect track. Adjust the duration. Doesn't it look great? To make the final result more atmospheric and complete, we prepare a suitable piece of music and the corresponding ambient sounds for these videos. Find the plus icon on the left side of the audio track. Click it to add several audio tracks. Then drag these sound effects onto the corresponding scenes. For example, use the sound of ocean waves here. Adjust the duration. go to the inspector to adjust the volume. And add a fade effect. Moving on, use the sound of walking here, matching it with the dynamic aspects of the scene. Use a similar approach to edit the ambient sounds for all the segments. Finally, drag the background music onto the empty audio track and make some basic edits to it as well. After quickly finishing this, let's take a look at the final result. Well, that's all for today's video. If you want to learn more about other tricks, what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we'll see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!